So, the next interview question that we generally get is what is a cutover? And it is generally confused with downtime, especially for freshers or if someone who is trying to transition their career. So, when we talk about SAP cutover, the main question comes here is what is a cutover? What is the phases that it has? And at the same time, how is it different from downtime? So, apart from what is written in the slide here, let's proceed with actually understanding what it means. Suppose you have an old ECC system and you are migrating it to S4 HANA. Now, the actual migration is taking place during the cutover. It means when an existing system is getting replaced with another system that is a new system, the transition phase is called the cutover. Cutover consists of various stages through which the actual S4 HANA system is made live. That is also called as go live. And cutover also consists of downtime, but cutover is not equal to downtime. Okay, so cutover is basically a transition video during which the old ECC system is finally replaced with the S4 HANA. Like now, no further business transactions will happen on the ECC system after the cutover is successful. Cutover is not a single moment and it is not just a technical activity, but it is a carefully coordinated phase involving many teams that work together. Cutover is well planned in advance. It is planned that how many days it will take, how much time the downtime will actually be there, and what will be the time when the system is actually not accessible. Downtime is like a subset of cutover. In more real projects, downtime may range for some hours and cutover may range for some days, like 2 3 days, depending upon the size of data and the type of system. So during cutover, the system might be available for most of the part of cutover, but during downtime, the system is completely unavailable. There are no users, no business activity. This is the actual phase when the technical search is taking place. However, it is very important to understand that the system is not unavailable for the entire cutover period. Even though the system is technically up during the other part, like before the downtime, it has no financial posting, no sales order, no goods movement, and no business transaction. The business transaction is not working there, but the system is still available for the users before the downtime. And downtime is the stage where the system is not accessible for anyone, and after the cutover, what you will see is a new system, that is S4 HANA. It is business trees is important. Why? Because suppose the data transition, it will not happen, but I'm just giving you a scenario that okay, there is no downtime. Say there is no functionality like downtime, and you here the basis team is updating the S4 HANA, and here more and more transactions are coming from ECC. So data inconsistency will occur, data will not match. Like there will be issues with data, there will be issues with transaction. You are running, you suppose you are running some background job, and some, from another side, from in the ECC system there are some other updates that is happening, then that will create a sync up issue. So to avoid this kind of scenario, cutover is a multi-day transition window and downtime is a short time within that. So that is the importance of downtime. Okay. I hope you understood this video, and in the next video we'll cover up the cutover phases like pre-downtime, downtime, and post-downtime. What are the activities that is taking place? I am currently interviewing, like giving interviews, not interviewing actually, for SAP basis position, and would really love to share the questions that I am facing so that it helps you. I have around 6 years of experience with basis, but for some time I have been working in another profile, so I had to go through all the questions and all the things, theories, and all those things. So I'm just sharing my study material and my experience and my interview questions that I have gone through or I'm facing currently, so that it helps you. So thank you for watching.